it's nothing new, but it's so good.
Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome back to my ketogenic channel. Today we are going to prepare a super easy recipe. So let's go to the kitchen because it's a wonderful sunny day here in Stockholm, and after cooking we will definitely go for a nice walk outside. So let's keep watching till the end because this city is amazing and I love it so much, and I hope you will love it too through my videos.
It's just us two, me and you.
We will start today's recipe by preparing a Keto Raspberries Jam, and we will need 400 grams of raspberries, 2 tablespoons of powdered erythritol, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds.
Can't believe you love me.
We will blend all together, but we will not add the chia seeds. So put in your blender the raspberries, 400 grams, together with the 2 spoons of erythritol.
Every single day.
Then we will put apart half of this delicious liquid because we will mix it with the tiramisu. It will become something amazing. But with the rest of this mix, or 200 grams of raspberries and 1 tablespoon of erythritol, we will add also the chia seeds. With these 3 ingredients, you have an amazing ketogenic jam.
If you love me,
As you can see, I'm preparing individual portions because I will frozen it. So I will put it in these little glass containers and they will go to my fridge, because today we will prepare our dessert just with the half part that we put aside. There is raspberries blended together with 1 tablespoon of erythritol. But now we need to prepare the Tiramisu Cream, and for that we will use 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 1 tablespoon of erythritol and 2 eggs.
so lucky
Then we have our delicious raspberries, and that's everything you will need for a super ketogenic Italian dessert. Let's start by separating the yolks from the whites.
just feel so lucky.
In normal tiramisu cream with 250 grams of mascarpone, usually we put 3 eggs.
So good to see you.
But today we are using just 2 because we have the liquid of the raspberries, so we want a cream that is a little bit denser. We will only use also 1 tablespoon of erythritol instead of 2 because raspberries are also very sweet.
It's just
So this is a special version. If you want the normal one, put 3 eggs and put 2 spoons of erythritol. It's just a little thing that will make everything balanced and with a perfect sweetness and flavor. But let's start the preparation by whipping the 2 egg whites. They must become very firm. You must be able to put this ball upside down and they shouldn't fall. So let's whip it with an electric mixer. It will be easier. It's also easier if you start whipping the white first and then the yolks, because if the mixer is a little dirty with the yolks, it's a problem for the white, but vice versa is not a problem.
so hold me tight.
So we start with the whites and then we whip also the yolks together with the erythritol.
It's just us two.
When your 2 yolks are very fluffy and much lighter than this strong orange, they should become light yellow, you can add also the mascarpone cream and whip all together again. When everything is well mixed, you should use a spatula or a spoon to add the egg whites to the mascarpone, the yolks and the erythritol. That's all. The tiramisu cream is ready. It's already delicious. But now we are doing today's special version with the raspberries cream. While mixing the white, I want to remind you that all fresh cheese like mascarpone, ricotta, mozzarella have more or less 3% of carbs because the lactose is there and that's a sugar. Don't worry about it because they are still ketogenic. 3% is not a lot when you have a lot of fat to balance it. Now that it's ready, it's time for some fun and some color. So, choose colorful cups, choose colorful spoons and add the colorful raspberries. It will taste and look amazing. But today we have also a little bit more of cream. So, apart from this special version, I would like to remind you that with coffee, it's the classic tiramisu. So, we don't have the espresso with the cookies, but we can add on top of our cream some instant coffee. It will be great too. So you have the one with the raspberries and you have the one with coffee. You already have two ketogenic desserts, both of them incredibly delicious. And don't forget that we also have the jam, and we have this cream of raspberries with the erythritol that we didn't use completely. So we have another dessert. We can put this raspberry, these very sweet raspberries, on top of whipped cream. So, number 1, the jam. Number 2, our tiramisu with raspberries. Number 3, our tiramisu with instant coffee. And number 4, we have whipped cream with raspberries cream. So, 4 desserts in a few seconds. I really hope you like today's recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks to all the people that already subscribed. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another ketogenic video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video at the same time but in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. I learned it. I didn't do any mistakes with days, with hours, so please subscribe. See you next week.
It's just us two.
As I told you, the weather is amazing, so it's the perfect day to go to the market. This is the one near my home. It's incredible. It's a covered market with a lot of places where you can buy fruit, vegetables, but also meat, fish, and every place has its little restaurant. So you can eat those fresh and incredibly yummy products even inside the market. If you come to Stockholm, come visiting this place. It's called Sallu Hall. It's in Östermalm, that's the place, and everybody knows it because it's the place to be if you like cooking. You can find traditional products but also international products. I really love it. They don't pay me for saying that, but if you come here, you will definitely understand it. For now I hope you like our walk together, and I hope we will meet next week here on my channel.